Welcome to Behind the Scenes with Synergy.
Dude, what are you doing?
Oh, dude, posing, bro.
Posing on the 40s?
On the 40s.
Ooh, where are these going on?
A red JL,
That red jail?
the new big boy.
Ooh, what's on? Ooh, okay, we can't show people that.
This magic moment, so different and so new.
I'm just kidding.
Exactly. What happened?
Almost KO'd my pee-pee.
Ooh.
Motherfucker.
Wyatt, what's your favorite part of mounting tires in general?
Dude, everything. I love tires. Tires are my life.
You got the wrong career then, bro. You should be at Big Brand.
I am at Big Brand. I thought this was Big Brand.
This is not Big Brand.
I thought this was Big Brand, dude.
Nope.
I'll get one.
Ring toss.
Oh, did you see that?
Almost. It didn't go in though. Concentration is real.
2 very boring minutes later.
Were you good at carnival games?
No.
So you never won the big old stuffed animal? Got it. Got it. Synergy Loctite.
It's anti-seize, bro.
Oh, sorry. Synergy Anti-Seize.
You'd be like, who's the guy putting so much anti-seize on your bolts, bro? This guy right here. Shit ain't gonna freeze it. Oh, hell yeah. No seize when you got Synergy Anti-Seize.
Ooh.
It's not even 9 o'clock yet, and it's hot as and it's smoky. No, hey, if you find plastic clutch and spill a couple, you're going, bro. Chill, dog. I'm not even tripping. You're good, doggy.